Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Moin Islam. I'm a civil engineer. Today I'll show you how you can design by using STAAD.Pro software. Basically, this is a civil engineering software. If you wanna design Highrise building or bridges, you can use this software. It's very easy and very popular also in this world. So this software basically run by Bentley sustaining infrastructure, and you can see the project tasks, recent files. There have a configuration also for new project, open project. So for okay, if I go to the configuration here, you can see the pages here. You can click to the if I click to the default design code, so here you can see the code, like there are many codes like ACI code, American Computer. So you need to follow this code, and also you have your own code in your country. So whatever you are from, like if you are from Bangladesh, then Bangladesh have their own code like BNBC. If you are from Malaysia, so Malaysia have own code, and also we have ACI code then that we need to follow. Then you just apply and accept. So for when you design, you can follow your own code, no problem. So now if you go to the new project, so you can get these pages. So you need to select this page, then you can if you want to change the name, then you can change the name like structure. So I'm going to change the name structure design new. Okay, new structure design. Okay, no problem. So the main thing is, don't forget it, that the most important thing is there have a length units and force unit. So for length unit there have inch, foot, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, kilometer, and for force unit there have pound, kilo, pound, kilogram, metric ton, newton, decanewton, kilonewton, and meganewton. So here is if you wanna use meter, so for force unit you need to use kilonewton, and if you wanna use like foot, for force unit you need to use kilo pound. So I'm just using this foot and kilo pound. You can use also meter and kilonewton, that's up to you, no problem. So then you just click next. Okay, yes, then okay. So it is the add beam already selected, then you can just do the finish. Okay, so when you click to the finish, you can get this page. So basically this is the front pages. When you open your STAAD.Pro for design, you can get these pages. So before I go here, I just show you some comments here. There are many comments like file, edit, view, tools, select, geometry, comments, analyze. So analyze, basically when you finish your design, you can run your design by using analyze. And also they have like a view from jet, because you know that this is a 3D and 3D dimensional. So they have a horizontal is x, the perpendicular is jet, and the vertical is y direction. And also you have add beams, then you have a node cursor, then beam cursor, plate cursor. So for beam you can use beam cursor. For plate you can use, usually for if you wanna make it high-rise building, we have a slab design. For slab you need to use plate cursor. And for node is, if you for point, a single point, if you wanna make a the the foundation, so you need to identify the specific point, so you can use the node cursor. So this is basically, there are also there are many comments. You can, if you want to make a 3D renders view, then you can click here. If you want to make like symbols and labels, you can use this. There have a zoom in and zoom out. There have also display whole structure. So basically there are many, it's one kind of like AutoCAD 7. There are many comments, so it's similar like AutoCAD 7. You can find the many comments, and you can use it in your design. So this is actually, there have a the specific length. If you want to change this length, you can use, I click the edit, then there have a 1 feet 1 feet. So now this is a 1 feet 1 feet. If you want to change it, so if you make it 2, here you can see 2 by 1. So you can see this is a 2 and 1 feet. If you want to make it 2 2, so you just click 2 2, so it will be 2 2. Basically in my case, I don't want to use this, because I want to make it new for my cases. So whatever what you can, you just cross, then it's already deleted. So you can use it from the beginning, whatever you want, your distance, everything you can use by your own self. So this is actually the first videos. Then I just share with you some function of this STAAD.Pro, and I will show you some I just showed you some comments how you can use this software. So this is the first tutorial of our new videos. So don't, and inshallah in future, I mean from the next videos, I will show you how you can design by step by using STAAD.Pro software. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more update. Definitely subscribe my channel and like and share with your friends, and do comments if you don't want to understand or if you want to know something. Please comments in the description, and also in the comment section, and I will give you some important notes in our description, and so you can learn something from that also. So thanks for watching these videos.